Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. You join us in a hot Pattaya. Even though it's night time, it is still hot. But anyhow, yes, we're in a petrol station. Why we're in a petrol station? Because on the outsides of the petrol station there are shops and restaurants. And tonight we are going to Suki Tinoi. I think that's how you say it. Sounds a bit rude, but that's what it is. Now, this is a bit like a mukata where you cook it yourself, but you order off the menu, and apparently a robot comes and drops your food off. And as you can see, it is pretty popular. This is just the queue waiting for a table. Oh my god. So we sacked that idea because the queue was too big. Instead we've gone to Luki Suki. Well, upstairs there's also a big queue for a Luki Suki. I wonder why. I have to be careful what I say when I'm talking about these places. But anyhow, this is the same sort of idea where you order the food and you cook it yourself. But I don't know if a robot comes and gives you the suki. No, I'm not sure if it's a robot that comes and delivers it like the other one, or whether it's just humans come and fetch it for you. But we'll find out. So the robot's wench is finished. So apparently robots do fetch. Apparently robots do fetch your food to your table. And this is all the different dishes you can choose to cook yourself.
Put on that. Why not?
So we cook it ourselves, and that was the little robot that fetches over your order for you to cook. So you order off a QR code. So there you have your refillable drinks, slushies, and then all of these. But look, a robot on its way at the table now. And over here you have hot dogs, chips, I think that's chicken, and stuff. Don't worry. The aftermath. So folks, there you have it. That is Luki Suki. Not what you think it is. It's yeah, well, you saw it. It's hard to explain what it is. But anywho, do not forget to hit the like, subscribe, comment, share, do all that good stuff. See you on the next one. My God, it's loud around here. Now it's time to do your job. Well, these buses going out here. And her bleating on. Bloody hell, man.